Hey guys, so I've decided to waste my quick lunch break on making this little quick video, and I can't believe this needs to be said, but please stop taking financial advice from people who don't know what the SIE or Series 7 is without taking out their phone and Googling what those terms mean. There are a lot of people who are getting deactivated from different platforms because they're taking bad financial advice, they're getting found, and then they're getting penalized. And it's not necessarily their fault. I mean, it is their fault because they didn't do enough research, but it's not necessarily their fault because they trusted these people to give them good info. I'm going to link a couple of channels below that I think have good, relevant financial info. A lot of it is time dependent, so please take action as quick as possible. The PUA is going to open up in California, at least, well, I think the PUA, PPP, stuff like that for independent contractors, 1099 guys, that's going to open up in California the 28th, tomorrow. So this is timely info. This is a quick and dirty video. Obviously, it's not going to be something that's as polished as I normally would put out. It's definitely just raw info, and I'm just going to direct you where you need to go. I might clean it up later. I might just leave it up. But the relevant info is check out these two channels if you really want to find out how to get that unemployment, how to get the EIDL. These guys are the real deal. They aren't going to tell you to invest in stocks that are way out of your reach anyway, okay? All right, bye.